You first install the smart lock, right? They will come out with a setting which is that you can go for the master passcode. Once you created a master passcode, you click the star, look at the screen, click star, hash, and insert your master passcode. If you want to go for register your data, then click number 1. Click number 1 to add user. Click number 1 to add face. You stay right in front of your camera, then you can go for face scanning. Once done, you can go back. Click number 2, which is go for the palm scanning. So once successful, it is done, and just go back. The second is adding a finger. So we notice here you got the screen, so you just put fingerprint. Assist that. 3 is adding a card. Oh, sorry, passcode. Then you can add on your passcode. And go back. Once successful, and go for the last, which is card. So that will be a card. Just click your cards over here, and done. So now we're going back. We go for adding a apps, so we're just pairing to the app. Go to your phone and install this app to your smart, and register all of your information, and click here, add device. And starting to searching for the device. When it's appear right over here, you just click into it and enter your house password, the Wi-Fi password and everything. Make sure it is 2.4 password and Wi-Fi, then it should be done, should be good. Then you can link to the device. Once done, you just add. So it can be appear right over here. You can remotely unlock, and you can do all the settings over here, and also video calling and everything.